Hey there, I want to share something very close to my heart, something that I believe can truly change the way you live your life. Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter what you do, something inside keeps holding you back. I've been there too. And that's Rise to You All. Myself and my spouse Rushali, we wrote this Rise to You All book. And today is the launch day. But let's understand the story behind this. Back in 2019, I felt completely stuck in my career. Things were not moving the way I wanted. And top of that, I started facing some health issues as well. I realized that if I didn't take control of my life, things would keep spiraling. That's when I made a decision to reclaim my life, a decision to reclaim my energy, take the control of my life, and to get the purpose in life. That moment marked the beginning of a deep transformation journey. And everything I learned along the way became the foundation of this book. So, Rise to You All is not just a book, it's a step by step guide, or it's a step by step kind of like your companion to heal your inner child, master your emotions, reconnect with self love, transform relationships, create abundance, vitality, and balance in your life. Now, you would ask me that there are so many books in the market. Why the need of new book? So, friends, I'm a voracious reader. I'm reading a lot of books. But many times I feel that all these books, most of the books, not all, are very theoretical in nature. And I always wanted one book in the market, which is like very practical book. There must be some kind of practical tools, some exercises, and reflection stories, which we can start using today and not someday. Or it is something like a giving kind of guidance that what should I do to get this particular kind of result. So this book is all about taking control, creating change, and truly becoming the best version of yourself. Let me share one quick story. One of my early readers, we created this manuscript and then we have given it to some people to read it. He's a coach in his mid 40s and told me he felt unfulfilled despite having a successful career. Through the exercises in the book, he discovered his top three values: love and connection, growth, and contribution. By aligning his life with these values and dedicated more time to his family, focusing on personal growth, and he finally felt balanced. He finally felt fulfilled and happy in his life. Stories like this, I wanted to bring this book to you because the real change is possible and it starts from within. And but for that, you need some kind of guidance, you need some kind of tools, and that is what this book is providing to you. So here is what I wanted you to do. Pre-order your copy of Price to All today. The pre-launch offer is live right now. It will be active for next 2 to 3 weeks time frame. And it is your perfect chance to grab your copy and start your journey of transformation. Trust me, this is more than a book. It's a guide or it's your companion, and go step by step. Take one chapter at a time. It is not a kind of book which you will read in one sitting. One chapter, exercises, complete this, and go for the next chapter. Let's rise together. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. If this resonates with you, share it with someone who might need it too. Comment below and tell me which area of your life you are most excited to transform. I can't wait to hear your stories.